Hi, I'm Nolan with Acculevel. Wanted to take a little bit of time. I'm out here in the shop today. As we start to see this freeze, the thaw, the freeze again, as we inch closer to spring, all that ground pressure, that water pressure in the ground, it puts a tremendous amount of stress on your walls. And what you'll typically see when something like that's happening is you see a lot of horizontal cracks down through the middle of the wall, even maybe at the top of the wall. You see some stair steps and block, you see some vertical and poured concrete. Those are signs of that wall pushing in. It's giving way to the dirt pressure on the outside, the hydrostatic pressure, if you will. One of the ways that we go about fixing those is what we call carbon fiber straps. It's the cheapest, it's the fastest, and it's one of the most clean options that you can use to put those out. My dad, the founder of Acculevel, actually started using Fortress straps about over a decade ago. They're something we have been using for a long time. We love them. They do a great job at holding back those walls. And so we give life of the structure for warranty for those. So we guarantee that structure to never move. As far as bowing in, as long as it's standing, 100% transferable. So if you have concerns that maybe that's going on in your basement, you'd like to have it looked at, we do free estimates. We'll come out, take a look for free, see if it's something you should be concerned about. So you can give us a call or you can visit us online at acculevel.com. Thank you.